January of the lunar calendar is the time with the most traditional religious festival. This year, due to the complicated situation of COVID-19 pandemic, most activities were cancelled or reduced in scale. However, pandemic preventive measures at religious facilities still receive great attention since many people believe in the importance of worshipping on the full moon of the first lunar month of 2021. Pagoda, located in Tung An Ward, Ningkyu district, has been attracting a large number of visitors from that holiday. Although there were less crowds than in the previous years to prevent and control COVID-19 epidemic, the management board of the pagodas has prepared according to the 5K message and allocates staff to remind people to follow the regulations.
We have allocated staff at the entrance to check the body temperature and disinfect visitors' hands. We have also repaired masks for guests. Pandemic prevention is always ensured regardless of visitors' volume.
There are over 80 pagodas and temples in Cần Thơ City, concentrating in Ningkyu, Bình Thủy, Cái Răng, and Thốt Nốt district. As a tradition, on New Year days, especially on the first full moon of the year, many Buddhism followers and people visit pagodas to wish for safety, happiness, and luck in the new year. The People's Committee and the Fatherland Front have coordinated to check and remind religious facilities in the area to follow pandemic prevention regulations. Most pagodas and temples have proactively carried out COVID-19 preventive measures before that holiday and continue to the peak time of January 15th of the lunar calendar.
The People's Committee of the World has allocated staff to stay on duty at these facilities to remind people to follow pandemic prevention regulations as instructed by the health sector. The Steering Committee for Pandemic Prevention of the World has directed the health sector to coordinate with managers of religious facilities in organizing pandemic prevention activities like repairing disinfectant, wearing masks, and implementing the 5K message.
To prevent the spread of COVID-19, the steering committees for COVID-19 prevention and control have allocated medical staff and organizations to frequently be present at pagodas and temples to publicize, mobilize the management boards and abbots to limit the gathering of monks and followers, remind them to wear masks, disinfect their hands, and keep a safe distance. Kim Ling Pagoda is aware of the COVID-19 pandemic. We have prepared masks, hand disinfectants, and assigned people at entrance to remind and assist people in COVID-19 prevention. We have printed leaflets to instruct people on COVID-19 prevention. We also distribute free masks for visitors and people. No COVID-19 infection cases were recorded in Cần Thơ City since the start of the outbreak wave, thanks to the efforts in publicity, mass mobilization, and strict management of activities, including religious ones.